So just yesterday, I was talking to a senior HR manager in a bioinformatics company. And I asked him, what exactly are you looking for in the candidate? And they said, freshers, strictly no. I asked why. They said they are not experienced and we don't have time to train them. And that is where freshers lose out opportunities because there is a tag called freshers. Now, as I told you in my previous video, that bio-IT revolution is here and more than 100,000 jobs will be created in the next 3 years. Just because you are a fresher, you should not suffer, right? And that is why Biotechnica is coming up with the Bioinformatics Summer Training and Internship with Work Experience Certificate for all of you. Now, under this, our 3 scientists, Dr. Nilofer Sheikh, Dr. Prakriti Singh and Mr. Pradyot Banerjee are going to come together to train you online. First month will be training, then the next 3 months will be project, and you can extend it up to 6 months, and then you can publish papers in top journals and our scientists will assist you. At the end of this training and internship program, you'll get a work experience certificate from Biotechnica that you have worked on a project, and also you will be getting a recommendation letter from our scientist as well as me if you do a good job, right? So this is where Bioinformatics Summer Training and Internship is starting from tomorrow, 11th of April at 7 p.m. onwards. And today is the last day to register. The link to register is given below. So do not delay. Register today. Remember, if you are a fresher, it is not your fault that you cannot take part in this bio-IT revolution. Instead, make your vulnerability the strongest point of tomorrow. And then kickstart your career in bio-IT, win the world of bio-IT, and then you will be established as a successful data scientist in big data biology in the future. And who knows, you may become as chief scientific officer of a bioinformatics company. Who has seen the future? But I would say that if you get started today, you can definitely get there. So do not delay. Register today. Link in the description. All the best.